Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Nabil, and over the past 3 years, I have honed my skills as a data analyst, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Let me show you how I can bring this expertise to your team. My journey begins with defining key performance indicators to ensure we measure what truly matters. I clean and transform data, preparing it for insightful analysis. I excel in creating compelling dashboards and visualization using Power BI, Looker Studio, and Tableau, whether it's for sales performance, timesheet analysis, or any other critical metrics. I craft dashboards that make data-driven decision-making intuitive and impactful. For instance, I have customized Google Sheets into dynamic forms that streamline data collection and visualization. This approach not only captures the necessary data but also simplifies the process for stakeholders. I'm proficient in SQL queries for seamless data extraction, API integration for data scraping, and coding automation. This allows me to deliver precise insights swiftly and effectively. One of my key achievements was automating data quality checks, reducing the review process from 4 weeks to just 10 minutes. This boost in efficiency was driven by detailed reports and sophisticated automation using Python and R. If you are looking for a data analyst who can turn complexity into clarity and drive your business forward with data-driven decisions, let's connect. Reach out today and let's explore how I can contribute to your success. Together, we will turn your data into your greatest asset. Thank you for watching.